No. Okay. The purpose of language is to communicate. Okay. 이제 거기 language에서 communicate. Okay. And so, okay. In Korea, 한국에 the most popular foreign language is English. Okay. Parents will invest. Okay. 누구 parents? 정확하게. Korean parents. Okay. 조금 더 쓰려면. So Korean parents will invest. Okay. A lot of money and time for their children's education. Okay, 그러니까 교육에서 투자 많이 한다고. 그러니까 so we went from language to communication to education and okay, and 여기서 이제 조금 더 background information 은근히 채우고 있으니까 especially English. Okay, oops, especially English 여기서. Okay, okay, so, okay. The problem is not English, but when young children who are not even attending school are learning English. Okay? Okay? 이제 딱 말하는 거지. 문제는 영어 아니고 the problem is not English, but the young children who are learning English, okay, who are not even attending school are learning English. Okay, 그러니까 problem을 더 쉽게 쓰려면 the problem is, okay, problem is, okay, 더 쉽게 하려면 problem is the young, okay, problem is the young children, okay, who are learning English too early. Okay? and 내가 왜 바꾸냐? 어차피 내가 보니까 when I write 내가 나한테는 쉽지만 근데 듣는 학생들하고 보는 학생들한테 이거 너무 높게 생각할 수 있으니까 그게 되게 쉽게 간단하게 다시 주는 거예요. Okay? So problem is not okay. So okay. and 거기서 이제 여기 바로 아까 thesis 했으니까 이제 어느 정도 뒷받침 거 했고 어느 정도 뒤 안 내놨으니까 다시 딱 주고. Okay? 되게 간단해. Okay? thesis sentence 먼저 했고 question what's the purpose of language? Okay, 이제 설명하는 거. So is it to show? Okay, no. Is it to show how rich? Okay, no. Is the purpose of language communication? Okay? 근데 communication 문제는 너무 어린 나이에 the problem is not communication. It's 어린 애들 너무 일찍 okay? 유치원 같은 나이 okay? who okay? 너무 일찍 배우면 그거 문제다. Okay? 그러니까 so learning 그러니까 so because we did this sentence 이거가 되게 간단하게 보이지만 but that's good enough. Okay? Because this is for lower level. It's not hard. 그냥 it has the attention. It has the background information and it has the thesis sentence point 다 있고 또 너무 길게 아니고 너무 고급 아니고 now if you are 중급 or 고급 여기서 조금 더 upgrade 할 수 있죠. Okay, 조금 더 안내 집어넣을 수도 있고 조금 더 background information 넣을 수도 있고. Okay, for example 거기 children 그 몇 살? Okay, maybe under kindergarten, maybe like under 6 years old or under 7 years old. 7살 안에. Okay, something that shows. Okay. Something that shows that 조금 더 고급스럽게 조금 더 안내할 수도 있고. Okay, but for 낮은 level 이거면 돼. 질문하고 대답하고 대답하면 조금 뒷받침 안 되고 조금 사람 이해할 수 있게. So you have something very wide like language to communication to education and then you have English education and then our thesis sentence. Okay, we'll stop right here and hopefully this helped you. See, this purpose of this video is not to do it for you but show you how to do it. Okay, 목적 비디오 목적은 해는 거 대신에 보다 그냥 물고기 주는 것보다 낚시하는 방법 가르치니까. Okay, so hopefully that helped you. Okay, and if you did, please press like and please subscribe. Okay, my name is Joshua the Kyopo guy. Bye bye. Hopefully, have a great day. Okay, bye.